Good morning, students, and today we are going to learn about transpiration. You have heard this word transpiration earlier. Transpiration basically is evaporation of water from the plants. Okay, even plants add up to the water vapors in the atmosphere, and so that is known, this process is known as transpiration. So transpiration definition we can write: evaporation of water from plants. So that is our definition of transpiration. Now transpiration, if it occurs through the leaves, okay, you have seen a leaf. If you tilt or you see the lower side of a leaf, the leaf has small openings, microscopic openings. Okay, these openings are nothing but the stomata, and transpiration takes place through stomata. These stomata are open in the daytime and they are closed in the night. So during the daytime the transpiration is more. Okay, so these stomata are basically responsible for transpiration. When the stomatas are open, transpiration will occur. When the stomatas are closed, transpiration does not occur. So transpiration, the water vapors are given out. So what happens is, when the water vapors are given out, okay, H2O molecules are given out in the air, there is a suction produced in the leaf, and this suction actually pulls water from the base of the leaf, and the leaf pulls water from the stem to which it is attached. That stem will pull the water from the other stem, and eventually it will pull the water from the root. This suction that is occurred due to the transpiration, it is called as transpirational pull. Okay, so this is transpirational pull. Transpirational pull is the suction force that is created within the plant due to the process of transpiration. The water is given out into the air, into the atmosphere, and so there is a suction created by the plant into the stem, and the stem eventually it will take the water from the roots. Okay, so that is the process. This is the transpirational pull. Now transpiration is necessary for the plants. As we drink water, some water we use, our body utilizes, but not the all water. So we give out water in the form of urine through excretory system. Same way, even plants cannot keep water. They have to maintain, as we use water for maintaining temperature of our body, same way plants also do. So they give out this water vapors to even cool themselves, so they can keep the atmosphere of their body cool. So that is the importance of transpiration for plants. Now there are few factors that are affecting transpiration. Okay, factors affecting transpiration. So the first one we are going to see is sunlight. Now what will happen if there is sunlight? Yes, when the sunlight is there, the stomata are open, so the transpiration can take place. During the night time, the stomata are closed, so the transpiration will not take place. So more the sunlight, more is the transpiration. So we'll write more the sunlight, more is the transpiration. The next one is temperature. I said that the plants will maintain their temperature by transpiration, right? So what will happen if the temperature is more? Okay, same thing. More will be the temperature, more water vapors will be given out so that the plant body can keep cool from outside. So the temperature effect is same. More the temperature, more is the transpiration in plant. So here also we'll write more the temperature, more is the transpiration. The third point we have is humidity. Now what is the meaning of humidity? Humidity means presence of water vapor in the air. So now when already water vapors are present in the air, there is no necessity of plants to give out water vapor to cool themselves or unnecessarily add water vapors to the surrounding. So if the air is humid around the plant body, they will transpire less. So more the humidity, less is the transpiration. Okay, so if the humidity is there, that means already water vapors are present in the atmosphere. So the plant will not add any more water vapors to the atmosphere. So that is with the third point, that is the humidity. The last point that we have, the fourth one, is still air. Okay, or we'll simply write air. Now what is the meaning of still air? Still air means the air that is not moving. It is still, there is no wind blowing. Now when the air is still, the water vapors are there in the atmosphere. Okay, and they will not be moving from one place to another. So the air is still. So the transpiration will be less. So if air is still, in still air, transpiration is less. If the wind is blowing, okay, if the wind is blowing, the air is blowing, then that time the transpiration is more. In still air, the transpiration is less because already water vapors are present and they're not moving away from the plant body. But when the wind is blowing, the water vapors are moved away from the plant body, and so the transpiration is more. Okay, when the wind is blowing, the transpiration is more. Now coming to why transpiration is necessary. What is the importance of transpiration to plants? Again, we have 3 points that they have given. The first one is cooling effect. Cooling effect. I told you that the plant will maintain its temperature around itself by transpiring. Okay, so giving out water vapor, it will maintain the temperature outside. On a sunny day, we always like to sit under a tree. That is because the plant is giving water vapors into the air, and that's why we feel the cool breeze under the tree, and so we enjoy sitting under the tree. So that is that cooling effect. Second one is conduction of minerals. Conduction of minerals, that means the conduction of sap. Along with water, even the minerals are pulled by the transpirational pull. So that is the another importance. I forgot to write this, importance of transpiration. So transpiration is important for cooling effect. Second one is conduction of mineral, that means pulling by the suction, the transpirational pull, along with the water, even the minerals are pulled inside. And the same thing, ascent of sap, that means the absorption of or pulling up the sap. Sap, you have read that sap is the mixture of water and minerals that are pulled by the roots. So this is for transpiration, and then we'll move on to nutrients in the next class. Thank you.